natural beauty hacks. Today I'm doing slime with Sunsilk Yellow Smooth Shampoo and some water. And add Sunsilk shampoo. Let's mix it well. Let's add red color. Let's mix it well. Let's add some. It's turning to baby pink. Okay, let's make activator with salt. Take 1 glass and water. And add some salt. Mix it well. See, you have to make that melt water. Okay, the salt is melted. Now we will add this water. Yes, it's worked. Okay guys, the slime is ready, but we have to throw the water out.